Although the idea of this product is try to get your switch mounted around the wall. How I can mount my my switch and be able to remove it in the same time too. Be able to remove the dock station or whatever, right? So we can, you know, have this. And the way I set up in my studio is make sure it's mounted to the wall. It's out of the floor. That way it's easy to clean, easy to go to vacuums. There's no cable around. You want to be organized. Another thing, you can do that too. Maybe you want to keep that in the back of your TV. I see people do that too. You can put it right, or maybe next to TV or in the back. So that's what we have here. So let's go and open box and let's see what this product looks like. So let's look at the design of this unit right now. So we see right here, I like it has a level, so easy to, when you set it up this, you can see the water drop there, and make sure this is right in the middle, right? We're gonna mount this way. Imagine this to your wall. So I see it comes with the screws already, right? You can use the screw or something else. I have plenty there. It's not a heavy unit, so you gotta make sure you know mounts right in the sheet rack. And I see here it will allow you to hem those controllers right in the side. Right, that's what it looks, right? In the picture, if you guys look, looks like a fan, but it's not, right? It's just the design. So let's grab this up, all right, and let's see. Wow, voila! Wow, I like it. I'm trying this the first time with you guys, okay? Because we bought this product to try. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, actually. Yeah, well, and here it has this I think it's yeah, like a little bit like plastic or something, like a rubber though, so that holds it.
Awesome.
Yeah, so now let's bring my switch. What do you guys think? I think it's a great idea. Check this out. So like I have that mount right there. It will be right below, you know, close to the floor level, but it's out of the floor. So if I want to go portable, well, I'll go like this. If I want to bring this to another room, well, I disconnect the wires from the side, because the wires, right, you get the wires from here, it goes there to your power cable and your HDMI. I can just pull this up here, right, disconnect it, and then just bring it, whatever I gotta bring it, right? Maybe for, you know, my next trip. Check that out. It's a good way for me to, you know, upgrade the studio, mount this around the wall. So the idea is this way, we mount it, and what? We forget about it.